Hi and welcome to Change with Arts. Today we're looking at how you can actually use your affirmations with your EFT. As you have already probably watched how to use EFT, the importance of breathing and tapping on your EFT points, how does EFT and your affirmations work together? Well, basically, as you are clearing out your system and you're clearing out all the toxins through your body, by tapping using your EFT point, what that is doing is it's giving yourself time to breathe and relax. When you relax, you start releasing what is up in your head. So when you start saying aloud, I'm feeling uncomfortable, I don't know if I can do this, what you're doing is you're taking what's in here and in your heart and you are taking it out of the body, putting it somewhere else. What happens is this then starts to leave a space in the mind and the heart in order for new affirmations to come in, new affirmations to be replaced. In the beginning, as always, it may seem difficult, but again we know with affirmations, it's just an affirmation we have learned. Therefore, it isn't difficult. We're just in a process of learning. Use your EFT, use it to calm down, to relax, and then start replenishing your body with new affirmations. So if you think of a body, every day your body needs food to nourish itself, to make sure that it can be a success, to make sure it can walk, to make sure that it's a healthy body so that you can carry on doing your activities every day. It's the same thing. What you're doing is every day you're feeding your body with certain foods to make sure you can carry on living life. If you don't eat for a week, what's going to happen to your body? It's the same with affirmations and with using your EFT together. When you've got affirmations that are hurtful, that are destructive, when you use your EFT, you are now taking out what you don't need anymore, and you're now feeding your body with food, affirmations, that are rather nourishing and that will improve your life, yourself, and make you feel better. When we talk about balance, we talk about not seeing things as negative or positive, because again, those are just words we have learnt as affirmations. Every situation has a purpose to serve you, help you learn about yourself especially. When you can get to understanding about how each situation has served you purpose, you will then, when you feel calmer, and when you start to release your anxiety or using affirmations with EFT, you can then start researching better ways to help yourself, nourish yourself, your mind and your body. Take care for now. Looking forward to see you soon.